Welcome to the Gonzo Book. I am Jose. Shelly is downstairs. I just woke up from a nap and I got notification that I got another package. Guess from where? Cubehead.com. Alright. I know what it is. Yeah. Exactly what it is. Invoice and a card from the cubicle. And I got this right here. The MFJS, WCA Cubic Gift Box. It is the MFJS WCA Cubic Gift Box. And what I wanted to get this is because I only own 3x3s. I did buy a 2x2 a couple weeks back, but I returned it. So I don't have a 2x2. I don't have a 4x4. I don't want a 5x5. I don't want anything higher than that because I don't like when I like when all the edges are kind of even. So that's why I got it. And I saw this and I said, well, that's exactly what I wanted. So I can get the one that's below it and two above the 3x3 and I'd be okay. So that's what I got. It was only $19.99 too. So I thought it was a good bargain. And I like the, I got a few MFJS tubes and I kind of like them. So I said, well, let me try these. Nice. Come a little plastic thingamajig all together. Nothing fancy. Nothing fancy. When let me do the 3x. Oh, it feels just like the one I like. It feels like just like the cube that I purchased for the Toys for Tots. I think it's the same cube as that one. That's good because it's a good cube. Yep. No fancy, no logo, nothing. But it's nice. It's really nice. And I'll put the video picture up here so you guys can look at it. This is the one that won the under $5 competition, and it was $3.99. And when I bought it in bulk, one time I bought it in bulk, I bought 6 of them. And I got 5% off, and then I bought 11 of them, and I got 10% off. So it was $3.40 when I got it for 10% off. So $3.40, you can have a nice, decent tube. I mean, it's really good. I really like it, especially when I lubed it a little bit. It was nice. Now it locks up a little bit, but not too bad. If you got it lined up decently. It does have a little bit of quarter cutting, but you know, it's not that good. But in some. But I like this cube, so that's good. Let's see about, ooh, yes. Doesn't make that rattling noise. Oh. Yeah, my experience on this one is definitely better than the other one. And you just adjust it with screws in the middle. It's got black and what's this one? This one is all, it's a white, no, it's like split. You got the blue, yellow. And this one is all black. It's a black core. Yeah, black core. I don't know about the 2x2s, but it's better than that one I had before. I think if I lube it, it might not make that noise. When it gets to a certain point, you can feel it, like right there and right there. Right there. Can you hear that? It's making the thing move. Yeah. Yeah, I like it. So, I don't know if I'm going to like it. What I got these is because if I like it, I might start doing them. So, I got 2. Let's check out the 4x4. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, I like it. But so each cube cost me pretty much $4.99, something like that. I have enough 2x2 is probably the same as doing an algorithm for a 4x4, same algorithm as a 2x2, because you can split it in 2x2. Now I don't know all the tricks, so you know I'm probably not saying anything you didn't know about, but it's new to me. So yeah, I think I'm going to like. Let me see. This is my first one, so I have nothing to compare it to. But yeah, I like it. Yeah, I like it a lot. Thank y'all. And these are all the same size. Let me see. Well, the 4x4 is slightly bigger than that one, and then this one is about the same size. Well, this is more smoother than the 4x4 actually. Let's see here. But look at that, it's nice. Yeah, I really like these cubes. I'm gonna give this a 5-star for a starter kit, definitely. And it does come with a small little instruction booklet. Man, they can solve this in, I think I saw the one guy solve it in 0.6, 0.7 something. The guy who just recently broke the record on it, I think. Was it this record? Yeah, I think so. Well, he had a good average. I don't know if he broke the record, but I know he broke the average. So look at that, it's nice. Yeah, I like the way they feel. I'm glad it's like, where's it at? It's like the cube that won that competition. Yeah, it's exactly like it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and just lube it a little bit. Not right now, but in a little bit. But I think the 4x4 is definitely one I'm going to do next. Because if you keep doing the 3x3, it gets kind of a little boring, I guess. And when I go to competition, I just don't want to do a 3x3. So I'll do a 4x4. And once I get good at this, maybe do blind. And then maybe, oh, this is so smooth. Look at that. Okay, I don't think they did anything fancy. They just made it nice. Nice. So I got a 2x2. Of course, I got a whole bunch of 3x3s, 4x4, and a 5x5. So I'm happy. Because I wasn't sure how they were and how they felt, and you know, I always see either on people's videos or I see them in the cubicle.com, and so I'm thinking now pretty much. If you get any of the good ones like the Gang and all that Mojo and all that good stuff, they're probably going to be a lot better. But these are good. I like them. I like the company MFJS. So if you want a discount code, and if you go to cubicle.com, he gives out a few discount codes for the people he sponsors. Cubehead is Cubehead. Type that in. You should get a 4 to 5% discount. Tinman 4 to 5%, and Monkey League, yeah, ML is another discount. So I know more, but I forget what the other ones are. So Cubehead, Tinman, or ML, if you want the 4 to 5% discount. Yeah, so this buy right here, I like. Now I got to figure out how to put that together, but nice. I like that thumbnail better. It comes in a generic box. You know, something you might get at a store or something. And it's all in Chinese, so. And without further ado, if you have any questions, comment down below. That's all the video I have right now. I'm going to shorten this one up pretty much. And without further ado, we'll see you on the other side.
You counted pennies for what seemed like years. Then the cashier said, son, there's not enough here. He searched his pockets frantically. Then he turned and he looked at me. He said, Mama made Christmas good at our house, though most years she just did without. tell me, sir, what am I gonna do? Somehow I've got to buy her this Christmas necklace. So I said, damn boy, I don't have that kind of cash. And I'll never forget the look on his face when he said, mama's dreams are smashed. I knew I caught a glimpse of Satan's hustle as he kicked me in my shin and ran out. I knew that God had sent that little boy to remind me just what Christmas is all about. The hustle's real. I know the kid's mama, she ain't sick, she has a meth problem. The hustle's real.